Hi friends! So today I'm here at Townhouse, Mudon Townhouse, and it's a 3 bedroom townhouse. So you can see this outside of this unit, and right now standing at the garage area. So you can see the outside area, how beautiful the unit location is, and this unit I would show you from inside now. You can see I'm entering the unit, this townhouse. It's a middle unit and back to back, but it is quite big in size. Huge living area. I can see the AC vents over here. I'd show you the backyard. Very good size backyard, even though it is a back to back, but there is a huge pathway in between the two townhouses, which makes it little wider space. This is the storage area. You can see AC vents over here as well, and this is the kitchen. I like the layout of this kitchen actually. You can see a lot of storage spaces, and I would like to show you in this detail as well. If you notice, there is a door as well. You can see this door. So if I'm making some food which is highly smelly in nature, like fish or something, I would open this door actually. So this is the laundry area, and this is the guest washroom. So I would show you the laundry area. It comes along with the maid's room, and maid's room comes by default with washroom. So this is the maid's room. Now I'll quickly show you the 3 bedroom upstairs. So very open area, very bright unit, and actually it is very cool now. Even though the temperature is too high, it's soaring now, but it's very nice now. So this is the first bedroom. You can see storage space over here. Good size unit. And there is a open space over here, so this can be used as like play area for children. And this is the second washroom. This will be shared by the 2 bedrooms. So this is the second bedroom. It comes with a balcony, and of course storage space is always there. Good ceiling heights. I'll show you from the balcony how the view is. And that's Al Qudra Road. On my left, Al Qudra Road is there. Very nice unit, very good location. You can see the finishings are amazing. So Mudon is developed and delivered by Dubai Properties, and right now I'm at Arabella 2. So I'll take you to the master bed. So this is the master bedroom. Master bedroom has a balcony as well. Oh, already neighbors are there. Only this unit is left, so you need to hurry actually. You need to rush. So this is the master bedroom washroom, which comes with a bathtub. Very good quality, very good finishing. And it has got a walk-in closet. So ample number of storage space over here. So I have almost finished my tour of this 3 bedroom townhouse. Let me know your reviews and what exactly prices or when is your move-in date you would like to ask me. Give me a call or WhatsApp. This price for this townhouse is 110,000 dirhams. So I'll be happy to answer your questions. Let me know. Thank you.